this Kayak gang.
All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Kayak Gang. And today we're gonna cut up some fruit. Earlier, I had a friend of mine ask me about how to cut up pineapples and such. And I promised I'd do a video. And what you hear right now is me sharpening the good old pineapple cutting knife here, because you gotta have a good knife to cut pineapples. They're kind of tough. But I'll show you how to get to it. First, snip this little tag off first, so we don't need people doing it. Good old Dole pineapple here. Get that out of here. All right, come across the top. And a lot of people plant this part here, and you can grow you some more pineapples later on. All right, straight down the middle. All right, then you got your two halves. Get out of here. You cut your half in half. Get your quarters. Slide down. Slide down. And then you got your core right there. I like eating this part. That's one of my favorite parts from Mr. Pineapple. Get rid of that. Straight down the middle. Stand it up. That's it straight down. Get off. You're about right there. Start your cut close to the skin as you can. Stand it up. There you go. Pineapple chunks. Ta-da. That's all that's left. Move that on. The skin right there where you want it to be. Start slow. Slide it down. Pineapple chunks. Over there. All right. One more time for the. I'll do this in slow motion already. I'll do this next one at my regular pineapple cutting speed here. Sometimes you can just lay it down and get that first cut just like that. And like I said, this is one of my favorite pieces right here. Good old cartoon, but enjoyable. And that same cut you just made, straight down. Pineapple chunks, look at it. One more time. Pineapple chunks. Like I said, you're gonna need a good cutting board. Get back on that cutting board. I'm gonna dump these in my little bin in a second. But let's try this at a regular speed here. I usually do this pretty quick. Okay, I'm gonna board off. Cantaloupe. Ooh, cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Straight through. Straight through. I'm not worried about how neat it is. And of course, you just take your knife and use that just to discard the seeds. Tough little pineapple. Cantaloupe. Don't make me pull out my other knife, Mr. Cantaloupe. There we go. Then you go, when you get to the tip, go ahead and turn the knife away from you. Don't cut into your finger. See, don't cut into your finger. Cut across. Same way you do the pineapple. I don't have any particular way I cut it. With this, you want to lay it down flat. Just kind of walk the knife down the line. And when you get to the end, make sure you cut away from your hand. Look, I put around like trail and door, pushing this flat so I can put the knife in right there. And you just hold it flat. And once again, you get to that last piece, make sure you cut away from your hand. God, that's awesome there. But normally I'd be trying to do a fishing video, but with this COVID and everything going on, boy, you really don't even want to be out there with other people or around other people in the water and everything. It's a tough time right now, so everybody that's watching this, please be safe. And one day I'll see you on the water. But the last thing we got, look at that, boom, 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 big old watermelon. I like fruit salads, so I'm gonna show you how to do this here too. Once again, good on knife. All right, I usually half it. You see the magic start happening now, don't you? And also, when you're making these cuts, you see how you can kind of aim down the rind and use that as a spot to mark where you're cutting at. And, yeah, a little thick area. From that on off. All right. Come right across the top. Look at that. Beautiful. It does, but you know, you're gonna make that mistake eventually, and then you're gonna be like, okay, well, I need to bring this first cut in. But the main point is you want to be kind of shaving away from the center. All right, and then you wanna, after you got this one piece off, the next cut you're gonna make, you're gonna try to line it up with the rind as you come down. And see, that gives you a good cut. And you're moving along, line it up with the rind. And the more cuts you make, you actually waste a little less of the watermelon. But see how you line it up with that rind? Line it up with the rind. Line it up with the rind. Line it up with the rind. All right, there you go. Peel a watermelon cap back. Peel a watermelon cap back right here. Peel his watermelon cap back blue. And trim it on up. Nobody wants to eat rind. But there you go. That's how you do it. Trim it on up. See, nobody likes this. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm just throwing stuff in the sink here. Now, simple way. I'm going to cut it in half. All right. This is the beginner class. Here, so I'm going to cut it in half. And I might have to cut this left-handed, but here we go. I'm going to cut your slices like you're slicing up some meat. And then I want y'all to see what I'm cutting here. Slice that up. Half. All right. You want to hold that together and gently ease through because you don't want to cut your fingers off. And there you go. There's your watermelon chunks. Nice chunky size. I'm gonna take the rind out. Look out your spatula. And there you go. Alright, and also you can play with the cut. You can turn it sideways and make that first cut right there. Flip it on back and then do your down cut. Look at that, that's it, so now fall apart. But there you go. That's how you cut our watermelons up. Oh, get that spatula back. Alright, so there's your watermelon cutting tutorial and fruit cutting tutorial. And like I said, these little cores, some of my favorite pieces. They're a little chewy, a little crunchy. You either love them or hate them. If you never had a pineapple core, that's on you. So I'm gonna scan you on over here to this big old bowl of wonderful fruit salad that we got. It looks so good. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. I'm gonna eat it. But to everybody watching the channel, this Kayak gang. Yeah, boy.